Oh, let's record now. All right. So yesterday we touched on functions. We talked about filters and functions and filters, the sort function, and other popular functions that data analysts work with: count if, count, sum if, average if, and others. So we were already on vlookup and hlookup. Let me see. Just two participants. You know what? Let us still chill for 5 minutes, right? Because the two girls yesterday they were following.
No problem.
All right.
But are you like iterating to put me through this, Abby?
What?
Like, I don't know. You're walking me over this again, Abby. Because really, I don't think I want to take your time on this. Like, I'm the one that I'm supposed to teach the guys.
Oh, are you the one taking the class today?
Yes.
Oh. Are you serious? So because I've not completed my own session. Did the other not get
session? No problem. I'll be in the background.
Okay. So because
yes.
Actually, this is supposed to be today is supposed to be my last day, right? But I have to add.
Thursday.
Yeah, because I started Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, so on the Excel.
Okay.
So that's why I was trying to just. But Yola did not plan this thing well then.
Oh, he told me that I'm going to take the class from 10 to whenever I'm done today. But then I'll just be in the background. No problem. No problem at all.
Okay.
I'm supposed to have a meeting, so I'll just bring it forward so that while I'm in my meeting, we would wrap up with the class.
Okay. So,
yes.
Bukola, welcome. Was Bukola with us yesterday? I don't think so. Welcome, Bukola. So let me just start. So yesterday we talked about the filter functions, the sort functions. The people who didn't who were not with us can get the recording on YouTube. They have already sent the link to the group on WhatsApp. So today we are talking about vlookup and hlookup. We did an example yesterday, but I would like to do a better example because vlookup, people get it confused and it's hard to understand sometimes because even people that have been in the analysis, this thing, you have to still Google to refresh their memory. But the secret to the name is in the name V and H, and that is a vertical lookup and horizontal lookup. So let me share the screen. So can you guys see my screen right now? Can you guys see my screen? Bukola?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. You were with us yesterday, right? Okay, let me continue. So vlookup, what vlookup does is that vlookup looks at a range of values. You look up a range of values, or as the name vertically, and a column, and return a particular range of values in the same in another column to the right of it anyway. So let us use this as an example. So for example, let us say, because this is a small data set, so let us say we want to look for what is the price of air gel, right? So somebody else just joined. What is the price of air? What is this? Okay, let us use this. Okay. Where is this thing like this? Okay, let me close it. Sorry, please hold on. This thing is giving me some issues. Just hold on, please. Don't have this time. Sorry, hold on. Sorry for the inconvenience. Let me start this stuff again. So, okay. So Bukola, you were with us yesterday when we used we did a vlookup example, right?
Yes, I was it too.
So did you get it? There was a little confusion. Did you rewatch the video to get it?
No, I have not had time to. I will watch it later.
So this is another example for the vlookup. So look at this table. So as the name implies, vlookup, let me type the formula. You see, look up a particular value in a particular table, returning a column index number. So this column index number, and
I can't see your screen, sir.
oh, sorry. Sorry, let me share this screen. Can you see it now? Okay. Can you see it now? Hello, can you see it now? I trust that you can see it now. Okay. Can you see it? Can you see the screen now, Bukola and others? Okay.
Yes, I can see it now.
All right, thank you. So let us go into, so this is what vlookup does. So what we use vlookup for is that we look up a particular value on a particular column. We look at, because as the name implies, vertical lookup. So it looks up this a particular column vertically, right? So, and it returns the particular corresponding value in another column. So let us use an example. So let us say we are looking for, we want to look for what is the price of air gel, right? What is the price of air gel? So vlookup, with vlookup, we just do this. It's equals to, please, are you following along? Are you typing it as so air gel. So we are looking up for the value of air gel, right? Look at the arguments in this table array. So this table array. So you have to include your table. The column index number is 1. You can see that the price, the position of the price column is the fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you press 4. Then this next argument is, do you want an approximate match or exact match? So true is for approximate, false for exact. So we want an exact match. So let's go. So you can see that 444.84. So 44.84. So it looks up a particular column and return it looks up a value in a particular range of column and returns the corresponding value in a particular range or column. So it looks up, as the name implies, it looks vertically. So so we are going to, because once you go to hlookup, you understand the difference between how we use both H and vlookup. So let us say, for example, now we are saying what's the price of face cream. So of course we already have this thing. So all we do is this. So if you can remember when we talked about our absolute referencing and relative referencing. Relative referencing is the reason why we just have to just drag this down. So if you notice, this is F2. Yeah, F3. But let us investigate this formula because I want to see. I want us to see what is happening with these formulas and see what Excel is doing. If you notice this range, come down here and notice what has happened. Sorry. Come down here. And you notice that this thing has moved a step down. And we don't want this to happen, though it's not affecting our what we are doing at the moment, but we don't want something like this to happen. So to stop that, all we have to do is put a $sign here. I'm just trying to refresh our memory on absolute referencing and relative referencing. So use F4, put a $2 sign here and make this and make it absolute. No, not here. Not here. Not here. Yeah, actually. Yeah, make this one, use F4 to make it absolute and use to make it absolute, right? So enter. So you see what happens now after you see that our stays absolute. It doesn't move. I don't know if you observe that, right? So
Yes,
you just have 3, but others can catch up with the recording anyway. So the next, so let us move to hlookup. So we are going to talk about how vlookup is applied, because it's very, very interesting if you understand how to use vlookup, because most of the time you want to join 2 tables together. But before then, let us go and look at hlookup. So let's look this one here. hlookup. So you can remember that vlookup looks up a table horizontal. hlookup looks up a table horizontally. What vlookup does is that it looks up a table vertically. So it looks up a particular value vertically and return the corresponding value vertically. So that's why the difference between hlookup and the vlookup in the third argument is the row index number or the column index number. So let us say we are looking for, we want to look for face cream, right? Face cream. You want to look for the price, but if you see what is happening, if you observe this table, you see that this table is almost like the other table, but it's arranged vertically, because on that other table the price was on this column, right? But here they put the price here. So now we are going to use hlookup now. Hlookup, the lookup value. We are looking at value face cream, right? The table array, this table. The row index number. The row index number is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the range lookup exact ops. So, boom. Enter. You see that? See that? So let us say we want to look for a body lotion. So just have to do is come here and just, well, okay, what happened there? Body lotion. Why? Now, do you see what happened? The reason why it is giving us this error is because this stuff has shifted. So because we do not reference this absolutely. So let us do that. Okay. So we come here, give it an absolute reference. F4, right? So you see what happened now. So let us see that. So let us move to the. Did you get that?
How did you get the value for the lookup? The exact cell value.
I didn't get you.
I mean the exact cell number.
I didn't get your question.
For which to do for the face cream?
For the face cream. Yeah, so what you just look at the formula is B11, the cell reference of where face cream is, right?
Okay, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let us move to the application of vlookup. So if you come to this tab, I hope this thing is up, this workbook is opened on your system and you're following. So look at this. Most of the time when you are working, you want to join two tables together, or you want to join a particular section of a table to a particular section of another table. So for example, look at this table now. The price is missing and it has the price on this table, right? So instead of you going and typing one by one, you can just move the price here and put them here, right? So let us see how vlookup in action to join two tables. So our lookup value is this. Right. Is our table array. Okay. Let's make it solid. Right. The column index number. Oh, sorry. The column index number 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and the range is exact match, right? Thank you. So you see that. So all you just have to do is just bring data. You see what has happened. So we just split from this table and joined it to this table. So that's one of the applications of vlookup, and if you know how to do it, it's very handy and it makes your work faster. So you want to join two tables together. So that's one of the applications of vlookup, because I cannot wait to get to the next session. But how many people do we have in the class now? It's still just okay. So we are moving to the next section, Excel tables. Well, Bukola, do you get what just happened now?
Yes, I did.
Are you following up on your system? Are you doing it as I'm doing it?
I'm doing it. Yes, I'm doing it.
All right. So I want to move to Excel tables, pivot tables, and Excel tables, pivot tables, and pivot charts. That's the main. So let us open. Which one should we open now? So let's open this first one. Yeah. So look at explore this table. Okay. Have you opened this file? Can you see this screen? Nobody's responding. Bukola, can you see this screen?
Okay, so I'm trying to open it.
Okay. That's the lab 2 start version 5. Hold on.